So just a quick demo of how to use the cash register. We have a price list near the register. If you're in any doubt, then have a look at the price list. Our boxes are standard sizes, and these prices go with this box sizes. However, if they have something in a box, just take the closest size to one of ours that you think will work. Then, for example, for a t-shirt box, you need to ask for $3. Press 3, the 00, press a blue button to the right. Say the next one is a coat size box. You put in $5, press a blue button again. If that's all they're having wrapped, press subtotal. Then say their subtotal is $8. Say they give you $10, enter that amount and hit the large button. It will tell you how much change to return. Okay.